This video explains how to buy shares of Montauk Renewables Inc. Montauk Renewables operates in renewable fuels and biogas, is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MNTK, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade MNTK, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MNTK to find the listing. Select the Montauk Renewables Inc. result to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart for a quick context on the stock. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the MNTK ticker before proceeding to trade. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your MNTK position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.